Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move basket walk. Knowing how to do a first move already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a basket and maybe some kind of walk or walk around move would be helpful. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to go back and check out all the parts. Assuming you've got that in your repertoire or you're confident, we can jump straight in. So it looks like this. Needs a bit of space, this one, and how long you want to do the walk obviously is up to you. Due to the limited space we've got, we're only going to walk for a couple of counts. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break that down. It starts off like a standard first move. We go back and then we come in. We twist the ladies out. Now, an inside turn here would have had the lady going around in a return direction, and we're effectively going to do that. So we start the lady turning in a return direction, but we let go with the left hand. We slide out with the right, so the lady's still able to go. We can lift the hand up so she's going around, and as we bring the hand down, we accelerate the lady into a wrap. Guys stepping in, pick up the spare hand. We're now in a basket. Without stopping the lady, we can continue forwards, walking and walking. After however many counts of walking you want to do, we change direction and finish the basket off. So we get twist, round the corner, turn, look, return and back. So we'll do the same thing from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, in 2, twist out 3. We effectively get a return 4 and a wrap, collecting and starting the walk 5, keep going for 6 and 7, twist out 8, round the corner 1, turn 2, face 3, return 4 and back 5. So let's try it to a count together. Here we go. 5, 6, first smooth basket walk. We go a back, in, twist, return, wrap, walk, walk, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. That's it. Hope you find that one useful and a good servant out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.